opinion, being a district collector of one of the most backward district, my challenge is not to display the technologies, but to find out solution to the real life pressing problem of my district. So I have tried to do that, and in future also, I would kind of use this technology as a magic to spread happiness among the people. So that is my objective, and I think we have initiated that, and for that, uh, I feel I deserve the award. Thank you.
You know, we must clap for Rajesh for this. Really, and you hit the nail on the head. You know, the point that it is solutions that are important, and in difficult areas like you have. You certainly, I mean, whether you get the award or not, you certainly are a champion. I mean, you know, really, congratulations. Thank you. श्रीवास, कोई एक चीज जो आप भी बड़े मुश्किल एरिया से आए हैं, one thing that you want to highlight. Please use the mic.
बेसिकली सर हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट सर जून में ज्वाइन किए और उनकी उस समय हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रदेश स्तर पर ग्रेडिंग में 72 पोजीशन पर था. इस ग्रीवांसेस पे सख्ती से देखने से और डिफरेंट आयाम हैं, तहसील दिवस, थाना दिवस और सब चल रहे हैं, लेकिन ये जो हम लोगों ने 72 विभागों को के कार्यों को इस पब्लिक ग्रीवांसेस के माध्यम से टटोला है. आज का स्टेटस है कि हम महाराजगंज आज 36वीं पोजीशन पर स्टेट में स्टैंड कर रहा है. ये सर इसमें पहल है और सख्ती बहुत है. पर वीक डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट महोदय के यहाँ एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट एडिशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट और उधर अपर पुलिस अधीक्षक और इधर से सीडीओ के स्तर से प्रस्तुत होती है. सब पर एक्शन हो रहा है. एक्शन होने का परिणाम यह है कि आज हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रदेश में जो उसकी रैंकिंग थी 72 पर आज 36वें पे है. तो असर है सर उसका, पब्लिक ग्रीवेंसेस सुनने का असर है सर.
थैंक यू. धन्यवाद. आप you yes.
I think after 2 years of my voice will teach. After the 2 years experience and actual implementing all these key initiatives in Sangli district, the citizens' trust and citizens' feedback we are getting as a district collector, that is amazing, because as a district collector, at the midnight also our district collector, because they now have trust that district collector will hear to us and they are getting results. So that is our achievement, I think, and that E-Setu mining monitoring system and PDS system that will go for a long.
Wonderful. Thank you.
बाकी है आपके पास से बहुत ही बड़ा प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी आइडिया है, बहुत ही चैंपियन बनता है. तो 25 साल जानते हो.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Balakiran, what about you?
Sir, in the last 1 year as district collector, I feel the e-governance initiative will sustain unless if it is a self-sustaining model only. So what we have done with sand, earlier it was free for all. Bhagwan jane who gives the pass and how the sand is come. Now what we have done is if an individual is actually applying for sand, he'll get his sand through legal means, and we are getting around I think 10 rupees per pass. With and then for even for so for that we have generated around 62 lakhs in the last 1 year. So even if I leave this district and if I go to the other district, the 62 lakhs no other district collector would want to lose. So that will ensure the sustainability of this project. I would also want to ensure that for the election last time there was no use of technology. I am a computer engineer myself from IIT Madras. I have been a director IT till before I took as a district collector. So last election 2009 there were 9 murders in Kannur district back to back from CPM and BJP. So this time what we have done is we have shown all the village polling booths voting live to everybody online, and that we have applied, that we have done through village level entrepreneurs of Akshaya. I think that has, and this time there was not even one incident of violence.
Wonderful. This gentleman from Shadow, yeah.
I would like to say 2 or 3 points only. The complete program which we had mentioned over here, it is completely developed in our district with CSR help or with what we can say revenue taken from the Rogi Kalyan Samiti. That's the first of thing. This thing. Second thing, the area where we are working, it is really tough because it is totally tribal dominated area. There is a lot of problem of getting proper technological support from, in case of HR, in case of technology. Third, as we are coming from Madhya Pradesh, it is and one of the backward district of Madhya Pradesh, we have taken care of the health, which is the most important component in terms of tribal district. In case of Sherdol, MMR and IMR is really high, and we are trying to take up that issue on priority basis, because at that time, the health is our prime concern for our district and our district collector. So we are taken up with this. There are a lot of grievance matters thing, so I can share my PPT with you so you can read it out.
No, that is enough. That you do health is a big thing, right? Most people ignore that.
Yeah.
I am biased, so I like people who do health, but you're right.
Thank you.
Nagara.
सर अभी तक 1.5 लाख अनकनेक्टेड पॉपुलेशन को इंटरनेट दिया है और 1.5 मिलियन नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर में करना ये मेरा टारगेट है। और मेरे पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लास्ट ईयर में 6 FIR फाइल हुआ नरेगा में प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से, और ये मोबाइल इंस्पेक्शन की वजह से आज मेरे सभी BDO बोल सकते हैं कि मैं चार्जशीट के बिना रिटायर हो सकता हूँ। ये उनके मुंह से निकला हुआ शब्द है। और मेरा जिला पंचायत का जनरल बॉडी है, उसमें सभी पक्ष के लोग इलेक्टेड बॉडी हैं। ये वाईफाई के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए यूनानिमसली ठराव पास किया है विदाउट एनी अपोजिशन की इनका काम अच्छा है और इसको आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी इसको प्रैक्टिस में लिया है। इसकी वजह से टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर डेवलपमेंट कैसे करना है और लोगों के लाइफ में चेंज कैसे लाना है, ये मेरा लाइफ का मिशन है। और आपकी अवार्ड से मैं चैंपियन तो अभी नहीं बनूंगा, ये अवार्ड से मुझे जितना अपॉर्चुनिटी आगे मिलेगा उससे मैं अवार्ड से ज़्यादा करूंगा, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ।
वेरी एक्सेलेंट, थैंक यू। Yes, ma'am.
People's expectations are growing faster than strength of organizations. So, ePrava and Pratibim of Thane, they are an effort somewhere to meet expectations of the people. Also, we are offering service not as a commodity but as a right. So, 10 years till 10 years back in Maharashtra, even a person who used to visit Tehsildar used to put his footwear outside his office. Now that person is coming and asking that my file is pending with you. I think that is where the ePrava and Pratibim stands.
With footwear. With footwear, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
With footwear. Yes, yes.
Okay, please.
One thing which we have achieved कि जो ओनरशिप है सिटीजन की कि यस दिस इज माय सिटी, तो वो एक इन्वॉल्वमेंट हुआ है जो माय सिटी कानपुर हमारा इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है कि उनको लगता है कि मेरी बात सुनी जा रही है, और ना सिर्फ एक पर्सन सुन रहा है, उसको पूरा शहर सुन रहा है, क्योंकि इट इज़ लिंक विद फेसबुक एंड ट्विटर। तो ओनरशिप ऑफ सिटी जो है आया है, इसीलिए इसका नाम है माई सिटी। और दूसरा चीज़ है जो हमारा वार्ड ऑफिस ऑटोमेशन है, उससे एक एम्पावरमेंट किया है, एक डोर स्टेप पे हमने ई गवर्नेंस सर्विस को प्रोवाइड करने का प्रयास किया है। तो अब उसको म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन और दूसरी जगहों पे नहीं आना पड़ता है अपने बर्थ डेथ सर्टिफिकेट के लिए, ग्रीवांसेस के लिए। तो दिस इज एन अचीवमेंट, डोर स्टेप पे हमने सोल्यूशन दिया।
धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया। Ganesh, if you may take that mic.
First of all, I would like to say congratulations, because we all run big companies in the corporate sector and IT, but our customer is demanding, they want service, they know exactly what they want. But आप लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, I think it is, whether it is tribals as you mentioned, or as you mentioned in terms of Gujarat, I think the customer's expectation is that we must get better service. Madam, what you said, in terms of the customer is, today the citizen is happy that we are providing a service. They have the trust that we will solve their problems. I think that is a great achievement. So I would find it very difficult to choose 3, but we will have to do that. But I would like to say that this is fantastic work, what he has done, which is putting Wi-Fi in as an opportunity, because we are now working on something called National Digital Literacy Mission in NASSCOM Foundation. And we know how difficult it is that you adopt a village and then you find there is no electricity, or the NOFIN has not reached. So I think the kind of solutions we are finding is the solutions that India needs. If everything is available very readily to the entire country, that would not be India. Hopefully that will be India 10 years from now. But in today's environment of shortages, the kind of solutions you are finding is really admirable. I would also like to congratulate the 4 or 5 district collectors who have come here personally, because the passion comes across when you present yourself. So I would hope that next year we will see many more collectors coming personally to present their ideas. So I would just like to say congratulations. All the work you're doing is great. As you rightly said, the work you will do in future, thanks to encouragement from the entire country, will probably be even better. And I think this is the future of India that we all want to see. So I just want to say thank you.
Thank you so much, Amir, and wonderful presentations. And I think at the cost of repeating what Ganesh just said, wonderful work. And I think I've been privileged to be part of some of these juries for some years now. And every time it's more and more amazing as to the kind of reach out that you people are really involved with. More new services that keep coming up, more digitization that is happening. So more new applications that are coming in, and I think you're getting towards the pulse of the people now. You know, initially when we started a few years back, it was difficult to say, okay, it was more to do with internal work or trying to automate that. But now you're reaching out to citizens. That's a very heartening process as far as my feeling as a citizen is concerned, because I'm at some point of time outside the room, I'm a common citizen who faces all these problems, right? To understand what the government is doing for me. So that's really very good and very learning and very enriching for us. And I think coming from my professional background, I'm more, personally inclined to kind of be a little, interested in the access part, because one of the things that I've always worked for 15, 20 years is been towards internet access and issues related to that, policy regulation for internet access. And I think one of the best things that I heard today, this is my personal opinion, nothing to do with who will become a champion. Please don't take it otherwise. But I think one of the reasons why, and one of the things that I come across when I interact with municipal commissioners around, is a lot of them admit in private that some of these e-governance delivery systems are failing. Okay, services are not reaching out, and the reason is mostly that people have no access. Okay, I think if I go to a lot of municipal, commissioners' offices, the corporation offices, and we collect data. A lot of these major cities and towns that we talk about are mostly a lot of slums, right? Economically deprived, socially deprived people, they have no access. Okay, they do not get to use internet. Now, if they do not have access, and some of those places where CSCs have not really taken off. Okay, so let's be realistic. So while we have a lot of figures that we can show, but let's also be realistic about the fact that they have not really taken off in the way that they were intended to. So the access of the citizens is also very, very important. Without that, most of your initiatives just might fail in the long run, and they will not probably scale up, right? And which is why we see a lot of these duplications happening in all these districts, but not really scaled up at a larger pace that we would want. So access is one part, and I'm very happy to see that this is something that you have, Mr. Nagarajan, right? You have considered on, and I think that will be one of the key components and a factor leading to the success of some of these applications. Because unless you reach out and you have citizens accessing it at an individual level and be comfortable with it, it's not going to happen. So I'm really happy with that. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
First thing is that every one of you is champion. But game of the rule is, sometime back you had seen Osama coming inside and whispering in his ear, telling him only 3 people you select. Okay, so that's the job on hand. That's the first thing. And number 2, I will go slightly before access point, which I also did it. But communication strategy बनाइए. People are not aware जे क्या available है. Access तो बाद में है. पहले उनको पता होना चाहिए जी ये मेरे पास है, मेरा ये right है. I can tell you my personal experience when I was in government, and I was perhaps many of you know that I was the biological father of CSC. CSC नाम भी मेरा दिया हुआ है. तो मैंने, to my surprise, I have seen the many of your district collectors, your colleagues and cities, they didn't even know after the CSC was instituted by Government of India, all letters have gone from here, but still people are confusing E-Setu with CSC, Banglar MOOC with CSC, all sorts of, at the highest level, even the highest officers level. I'm talking about 2007 or 8. Please don't mistake me now. I'm very happy that everybody knows. Even the successive PMs also know what is a CSC. That's a point of pride for me. So, but I'm just trying to say, इसको और छोटा drill down करके मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ. What Amitav said, I am 200% agreeable. But communication strategy बनाइए. आपका जो 2 साल का tenure होता है ना, उसमें पहले तो आपको ग्राम सभा है, ये है, वो पहले है. पहले communication and awareness strategy should be very, very sustained. आपका 2.5 साल का टेन्योर में पहले ये बता दीजिए कि हम ये इसे करेंगे, उसके बाद एक्सेस वैक्सेस होता ही रहेगा. नंबर 2 पॉइंट, I've got some questions, but I do not know whether we may be actually when we will be discussing, we can do. I have answers for that also. But एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, जो है जो E-District प्रोजेक्ट है, जो DIT से हुआ है, अभिषेक सिंह was supposed to come, अभिषेक may be coming later, वो हमारा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट है. ये आपका मैंडेट है एज ए कलेक्टर. So I don't think you will score much point if you do E-District successful. That's my personal opinion. My colleagues may differ. Then Narega ka monitoring, E-District ka monitoring. Actually, he told that what innovative way you have done something. He had problems with the internet connectivity. He has done something. So you have got another problems which very. I remember one Kolhapur district collector. We gave him a Manthan award. You know that how the PDS thing, how he has used the mobile 5 years back when the lorry is put there, and before the lorry goes, because in the jungle that the boris are changed. बोरी में अच्छे चावल है, उसका जैसे घटिया चावल जाता है और घटिया चावल. So these he wanted to stop, and there is 101 examples. There are fantastic collectors and DCs have come now. We are only hoping. हमारा एज में तो हम वही करेंगे. तो we are only hoping that when these people will come up, तो ये करना चाहिए. तो this is what I just wanted to say. You are all champions, but तीनों को ही award मिलेगा. Don't get disheartened. You are all doing fine.
First of all, I also agree with all of my co-panelists here that a lot of this work is actually very, very innovative, and especially considering the challenging conditions both outside as well as inside within the government as well as outside in the field that you are facing. So I have a few suggestions. One is please try to incorporate as much as in terms of local languages. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, इंग्लिश में आपने एप्लीकेशन बना दिया और फिर वो लोकल लैंग्वेजेस में नहीं है, तो ऑल द एप्लीकेशन आपने बोला एंड्रॉइड पर है, इस पर है, उस पर है, वेबसाइट भी चल गई, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों को अगर पता भी चल जाएगा वो उसको उपयोग नहीं कर पाएंगे. दूसरी बात है कि अगर आप अपनी वेबसाइट पर, एंड बाय द वे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की ये भी एक पॉलिसी है, नेशनल डेटा शेयरिंग एंड एक्सेसिबिलिटी पॉलिसी, ये DST से आई थी, DIT से नहीं आई थी 2012 में. तो उसके अनुसार जस्ट लाइक RTI का थोड़ा अलग स्कोप है, लेकिन जो डेटा शेयरिंग पॉलिसी है, दिस इज ऑल्सो सबसेट ऑफ द ओवरऑल RTI इन conceptually I would say, जहां आपको डेटा जो भी पब्लिक डेटा है that should be available on the website in an unstructured machine readable format. That means if you are publishing that data not just because आपने PDF document या Word document डाल दिया, you have to put it in a spreadsheet in a manner that if I want to develop an application based on that, I should be able to do that. So that's the other thing. So data की veracity क्या है, उसकी velocity क्या है, कितनी तेजी से आप उसमें डाल रहे हैं और कितना authentic है. So that's one thing I would say. Look at that. तीसरी चीज है क्रॉस लर्निंग, कि कोई कुछ बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है, कोई कुछ और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है, और मंथन जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म पर एक जो हम लोगों का प्रयास ये रहता है कि आप आपस में एक दूसरे से क्या चीज सीख सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं हेल्प, तो उसको उपयोग करिए. और एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि सस्टेनेबिलिटी, क्योंकि अभी आपको कोई फंड मिल गया या कोई पर्टिकुलर चैंपियन है, अभी थोड़े दिन आपने कर लिया, जैसे बाला ने बोला कि ठीक है अगर मैं चला भी जाऊंगा तो आगे भी अगर वो 5 या 10 रुपए का पर पास की चलता रहेगा तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और दो और चीजें हैं, वो है कि जो डोमेन नेम आप लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, मैं देख रहा था डोमेन नेम्स, तो बहुत सारे केसेस मैंने देखा .com यूज हो रहा है. तो बात ये है कि हमारे यहाँ .gov.in के नाम से ऑलरेडी डोमेन नेम हैं, और अब तो अब निक्सी ने .भारत भी स्टार्ट करके इनफैक्ट 7 अलग अलग लिपियों में भी प्रारंभ हो गया है वो, तो आप लोग उसको भी उपयोग करिए. तो हो सकता है आपके पास .com हो, मान लीजिए कोई शहर है जैसे कानपुर online.com, या तो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ आप उसे बंद कर दीजिए, लेकिन जब मैं आपकी वेबसाइट पर लैंड करता हूँ तो उस समय इट शुड शो समथिंग लाइक kanpur.gov.in या kanpur.up.gov.in और जो भी उस टाइप का लिखे. हाँ, आपके पास एडिशनल डोमेन नेम्स हो सकते हैं, आप उन्हें भी यूज करते रहिए, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. और 3 और पॉलिसीज हैं गवर्नमेंट की, जो एक है आपकी NIC की है ये पॉलिसीज, एक सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी, एक प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी है उनकी, और एक एक्सेसिबिलिटी पॉलिसी भी है. तो इन तीनों में भी अगर आप जब वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, कोई भी चीज़ कर रहे हैं, तो उनके हिसाब से आप क्या क्या चीज़ें कर रहे हैं उसको भी ज़रा थोड़ा टेक्निकली ध्यान दीजिए. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को NIC में भी नहीं मालूम है कि ये पॉलिसीज हैं, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि उनको भी ज़रा ध्यान दीजिए.